A sequence, just a list of number F1, F2, F3, etc., etc. For example, you have may have pattern, may not have pattern. Here, the sequence of one number has obvious patterns. So F1, F2, F3 will be the first number, second number, third numbers on the list. Here is another square number with patterns, but here's a sequence that's no obvious patterns. With this notation, F sub 100 means the 100th number on the list. Fn means somewhere down the line, nth number on the list. And notice Fn minus 1 refers to the number before. Fn plus 1 refers to the number after on the list. So, for example, for the sequence of square number, F3 is the third number on the list. It's 9, and F4 is 16. And we can figure out F5 is 5 squared. And that will be F5. In general, Fn is n squared. So this represents the sequence of square numbers. And for the sequence of even number, then its formula f of n will be twice times the number n. And for the odd numbers, f of n will be 2 times n, take away 1. And we'll get all the odd numbers. A lot of time I want the sequence to alternate between plus and minus sign, and then what we do is we multiply to the formula of factor of minus 1 to the n or minus or 1 to the n plus 1, depending on which pattern do you want. Then you will have the signs of the sequence alternate minus plus minus plus. A lot of times we want to add the terms in the sequence, so we use this sigma. Greek sign means to sum. For example, sigma x times y means to sum all the product x times the y's. Of course, on the paper, it will tell you what the x's and y's are. If I want to sum the first number up to 100 number in the sequence, I will invent these notations, summation notations, and the k is called an index, and the lower numbers, the k, you start counting from the lower number up to the higher number, in this case, 1 to 100. Therefore, it talks about F1 up to F100. And finally, the sigma tells you to add. So for this problem, the k run from 5 to 8. So k is 5, 6, 7, 8. I plug in 5, 6, 7, 8 into the formula. Then calculate and then add them. For this one, k go from 3 to 4 to 5. So I'm putting 3, 4, 5. Then calculate and add them. These are alternating sum. These are the summation notation properties, and can be easily gotten by just do basic algebra. Then you read good, you can find out these rules are true. Okay, and that's it. That's it.